First of all, let me thank you all for view my videos. Today we will talk about FITFI. In the wake of having a bull run in the initial not many long periods of 2022, STEPAPP digital money, FITFI, has been losing energy. The token had acquired more than 145% in 7 days because of a twofold posting, the most recent overhauls, improvements and changes in the STEPAPP environment. FITFI hit an untouched high of $0.7346 on 6 May, yet has dropped over half, starting around 10 May. Will it figure out how to move back, or even outperform that worth? How about we take a gander at STEPAPP cost expectation for 2022 and then some. What is STEPAPP coin? Getting its symbolic name from the fitness finance, FITFI, convention, STEPAPP is the principal wellness application to be worked in the metaverse and GameFi market that joins actual involvement in the metaverse. STEPAPP expects to make a wellness experience inside the metaverse with the assistance of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and geo-area innovation. Increased reality, Arkansas, for better inundation is an additional element of STEP's FITFI metaverse that connects with a gigantic group and motivates numerous to get into ordinary wellness and proactive tasks. A blockchain can turn out to be essential for one's everyday life and energize crypto reception. Wellness finance is essential for a market economy in which members procure from the wealth produced by the $100 billion wellness industry through Web3 renditions of computerized wellness encounters and applications. The STEPAPP token economy incorporates marking, liquidity motivators, locks, buybacks, and consumes, which are all determined by ongoing interaction advantages and worth drawn from the game economy. While FITFI is the administration token that advantages from biological system expenses, proprietors really exchange on KCAL tokens, the in-game cash used to purchase NEEKs. There are a few alternate approaches to making in-game pay, as miniature exchanges that are non-sneak buys, for example, map styles, character skins and sneak skins. These buys can be made by means of charge card or by buying crypto. Players can likewise bring in cash by going against companions or playing matches against others. A 2.5% expense applies to the triumphant pool if there should be an occurrence of rivalry. There are a few competitions coordinated in the game and players can contend to beat STEP depend on a worldwide and territorial competitor list. These occasions are tagged and 5% of all accumulated ticket expenses are pooled in as the award cash. With everything taken into account, the KCAL token creates it incorporates the local metaverse, GPS coordinated rewards, an Android and iOS application, a local portable viable NFT commercial center for more extensive commitment, and a local crypto wallet. The STEPAPP Crypto IDO or FITFI will be hung on a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, maker. STEPAPP's assembly over the most recent couple of weeks was because of its end-off on Bybit on 26 April, which helped symbolic costs by almost 130,000%. It hit an unsurpassed high of 73 cents on 5 May. Being important for the transition to acquire peculiarity, the symbolic appearance's solid rivalry from locals like STEPN, GMT, particularly as the crypto isn't so much as a month old. STEPAPP crypto cost forecast. What are investigators saying? As the gamified metaverse coin advances, it's vital to foresee how costs will hold later on, in view of the symbolic's essentials and its DAO. Starting around 10 May, calculation forecaster price predictions FITFI coin value expectation was hopeful. The objective cost for FITFI United States dollar was set at a normal of 30 cents for 2022, 43 cents in 2023, 65 cents in 2024, 95 cents in 2025, and $1.36 in 2026. The STEPAPP coin cost expectation for 2030 was $6.40. The conjecture from Digitalconpress likewise gave a hopeful standpoint for STEPAPP, with FITFI costs averaging 42 cents in 2022 and projections from 2023 to 2025 designated at 46 cents, 47 cents and 64 cents, separately. Toward the finish of 2030, FITFI could hit $1.47. At the hour of compassing, 10 May, wallet investor had not thought of any FITFI gauge. Prior to settling on any speculation choice, consistently remember that investigators' figures and any calculation-based FITFI crypto value forecast could be off base. Financial backers ought to continuously do their own examination, which remembers investigating changes for the symbolics environment, coordinated efforts, association bargains and different basics. Is STEPAPP coin a wise venture? Regardless of whether STEPAPP is a wise venture for you will rely upon your portfolio organization, speculation objectives and hazard profile. Different exchanging methodologies will suit different venture objectives. You ought to do your own exploration. Also, never contribute what you can't bear to lose. Will STEPAPP crypto go up or down? At the hour of compassing, 10 May, calculation-based conjectures accepted the coin could recuperate from its new descending pattern and move up once more. Be that as it may, one shouldn't pursue speculation choices in view of these estimates. You ought to continuously do your own exhaustive examination prior to effective money management. Will STEPAPP FITFI hit $1? While this probably won't occur this year, numerous FITFI forecasts saw the coin hitting $1 at some point in 2026. In any case, these forecasts can be off base. Continuously do your own exploration. Also, never put away cash you can't stand to lose. How high can STEPAPP coin go? As per